Welcome back, friends. I'm so excited you are here. We are going to start with this poster board from Dollar Tree. It doesn't matter what poster board you use, just make sure it's white. I'm going to use my scissors as well as a pencil. I'm going to use this tape as my round object. I love this one because it has one side that is round and the inside is round that's smaller. You can also use two different round objects, one that would be smaller than the other. We're going to use different colors of markers. We're going to use a yellow, light green, green, black, orange, and red. But you can also use coloring pencils or crayons or even paint. We're going to start by tracing the tape, both the outside of it as well as the inside. And we're going to do this 3 times. We're going to create fruit slices, okay? Fun way to do something like this in the summer. And for the last piece, we are just going to cut off a square, or kind of looking like a square for now. We're going to start cutting around these circles just to kind of cut off all the excess poster board. We're going to do the same thing to all 3 round ones. For the square one, we're just going to cut it into a smaller square, and then we're going to round off one side, and we're going to do half a circle, and then we're going to cut it into what will look like a little ice cream cone, or maybe even a slice of pizza with a rounded end, just like you see here. This one's going to be our watermelon. Now, I forgot to trace the inside, so I'm just going to do it now. So we just want to trace it and have that look. With the green marker, we are going to just paint in or color in the edge. And then with the red marker, we're going to do the inside because, of course, it's a watermelon. And then we want to put little seeds. So I'm going to take the black marker and we're going to create what will look like little seeds. How cute is this watermelon slice? Now I want watermelon. All right, so we're going to do similar to the other one, but this one's brown, of course. I'm going to use the end of this marker. I'm going to trace it in the center just to kind of keep me straight. Now, this is going to be a lemon slice, and I made a little mistake. I should have made the inside, so these little loops that look like a flower, I should have made them smaller so that they wouldn't touch each other. So ideally, you want to see a lot of white in between each one. But you live and learn, and I'll show you how I made another slice look different. So I'm going to paint the outside perimeter in the white, sorry, not white, in the yellow. And then we're going to paint all the inside, those little loops that we made, yellow. And this is where you see how it kind of joined on that one end. And that's okay. It still looks like a lemon slice. For this one, we're going to do the lighter tone green. We're just going to fill in the outside, and then we're going to make a couple of stripes right there outside of the white, just in between the white and the light green. Then we're going to take the black marker and we're just going to make dots. I was thinking this would look like a kiwi, but now it looks more like an apple pear. I don't know. What do you think? All right, for the next one, we're going to make an orange slice. So similar to the lemon slice, but again, I learned my lesson. So once I finished coloring the outside, I made a circle, and then the little loops, I did make them smaller. So now there's plenty of white in between each. Looks so much better. Now I am going to erase as much lines as I see here and there just to clean it off a little bit. Look how cute these look. All right, so now we're just going to attach them to some popsicle sticks. I'm going to use hot glue, but you can use whatever glue you have at home. And I'm going to do one on each stick. This would be such a fun project to do with friends during the summertime and summer break. Love the freshness of them. You can make as many fruits as you want. It's all about having fun. What do you think about this one? Let me know down in the comments. And if you want to watch more fun crafts, check out this next video. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.